Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and I have a super great news to share with you. So you all know that I am part of the creative team for Buttons Galore and More, and they are starting to do a subscription box, which I think is absolutely awesome. So with the subscription box, you will get 7 items in the box, and then you will receive 9 boxes throughout the year, and you will basically be saving $10 on the subscription boxes, which is pretty awesome. I will have a code down below in the description box for you to use for when you are getting the subscription box, which is BGMBOX10. And again, you receive 7 items and get 9 boxes a year, and you save $10, which is pretty awesome. So this first one that I would like to share with you, this one is pretty much like, red, white, and blue 4th of July-esque type of feel. So I cannot wait to share with you what would come in this one here. So first off, we're going to start off with the doodads, and this is called Yankee Doodle. And you have the little tube confetti, you have some blue, white, and red gems, and these are so pretty. Aren't these cute? And you have these cute little stars in there as well. And I will come back later with some fun little projects utilizing things that you can do with your subscription box. And then this one here is called Firecrackers. And so you have these red and white and then blue and white little swirlies with the stars, and with the red, white, and blue stars in here. So stinking cute. And then we have the Old Glory. I actually used this, I want to say it was last year. I used this for a project, and you have the American flag with red, white, and blue stars, and these are all clay pieces as well as the firecrackers. Then here we have, you guys know I love my buttons, and these are called Let Freedom Ring, and you have these cute little different selection of buttons here. How adorable are these? And then we have some sparklets here, and we have some red, white, and blue little stars in this one. And then last but not least, we have some crystals, and we have these pretty blue ones here, and these are called blueberry. And then we have these red crystals here, and these are called cherry. So I think this is so stinking adorable. So again, you get 7 items, and you'll get 9 boxes a year, which will save you $10. So I'll be back with some cute little projects to share utilizing just these items here from the subscription box. So again, make sure you check out that code down below, and I'll have the link for Buttons Galore and More as well for you guys, so you can go ahead and click on that link and get going. So everything is going to be kicking off starting today, and I hope you're excited, because I'm excited, because I am a huge fan of subscription boxes, and it's always great to know, be surprised on what you're gonna get. But so yeah, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for a few little projects. So the first thing I made was this cute little red, white, and blue shadow box, and this is just a great way just to add, decor to your home or to your crafty space or just anywhere. I went ahead and I used the buttons here on top of my bows that I did here, and then I used the crystals and the little star gems all around in the background. I had rolled some flowers, and then I also added some little gem pieces in the center there as well. And then I just added a bit here on the corners as well. And it's just a white base, and like I said, I just did it all in red, white, and blue. So something great that you can go ahead and put up or have like a centerpiece if you are having like a barbecue or anything like that for the 4th. And so I really like how this came out. I had really no idea what I was going to make. When I knew I was rolling some flowers, I didn't know what I was going to do thereon after that. But yeah, I have that. And then so my next thing that I did is I did some little shaker bows. Now I have done a tutorial on this before, and I actually created another one on my TikTok, so you can go ahead and check that out. So like this one here, I didn't add any centerpiece, and I used the red snowball mesh for this one, and I just added some of the little gem pieces in there. And then here I have one with the white And then here I used the buttons for my centers. So I did this one here. And then I did a blue one in the snowball mesh. And then I did a red one here. So really, really cute. I think these turned out very well. I hope you guys enjoy these products. Again, I will have everything linked down below. Don't forget to use the coupon code to get your discount on your subscription box, which begins today. So I'm really, really excited. I hope you guys jump in and start getting the subscription boxes, because I absolutely love Buttons Galore and more. You guys know I have my thing for buttons, and I just think this is a great way to start building your stash. If they have more than just buttons, of course, as you have seen, but it'll be a great way to help build your stash and get into new things if you so want to. So make sure you get into that. Thank you so much for hanging out today, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.